Hi fam, welcome back and I hope everybody is doing good. Today we're making waakye for 10 people. Trust me, you're going to love this recipe. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. So as I said, I'm preparing authentic Ghana waakye, and not just any other waakye but a very soft one. My people requested for this and trust me, I delivered. They really enjoyed it, so all you have to do is to trust the process. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. To begin, I will start by cooking my sorghum leaves or waakye ahaban. You can find this in any local market in Ghana. And so I've washed this leaves very well. It can be very dirty, so I'll add in enough water to it, and I'll also go in with some baking soda to help bring out that beautiful red color that we're looking for. So initially the plan was to cook for 5 people, but after I started cooking, I had a call from my friends that actually we are all coming over, so make the food chow. So I needed to change the pot and add in more beans. So I'm cooking for 10 people, as I said. Okay, now I will go in with my washed beans. You can use any type of beans that you want. Let's stir everything together very nicely. I will cover and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. As always, we will be coming back to check on it. We are back after extra 20 to 30 minutes, and as you can see, the red color is really popping, and that's what I'm looking for. And so let's check if the beans is ready. It shouldn't be very soft or 100% cooked. It should be at least 70 to 80% cooked, and as you can see, it's not that soft, and that's what I'm looking for. So now all that is left is for me to go in with my rice. Waakye is very easy to prepare, and trust me, if you don't take your time as well, you won't get the perfect waakye that you're looking for. So always take your time when cooking waakye. After going in with the rice, you can feel free to use any rice of your choice as well. Whether being perfume rice or local rice, you are good to go. Now let's give everything a very good stir, and once that is done, we will go in with salt to taste. Always adjust everything to your taste. I'll also go in with a little bit of water to help cook the rice very well. Since we're making a very soft waakye, you really need to go in with water. Don't be afraid to add in water. Even if it turns out to be very soft, when it cools down, it will become a little bit hard. And so don't worry at all. If you really love soft waakye, you don't need to worry yourself. But if you don't like soft waakye, I would advise to use a little amount of water. Okay, now let's stir everything together. We will cover and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. We will be coming back to check on it as well. Now whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on our waakye after extra 20 minutes, and as you can see, the water has reduced a little bit, so I will take off the sorghum leaves because I don't really need it at this moment. Okay, let's stir everything together once again, and since I said I really need a very soft waakye, I'll go in with a little bit of water, and once that is done, I'll cover and allow it to cook again. So when going in with the water, remember as well to check if the salt is okay, because waakye with less salt can be very tasteless. Okay, now let's cover and allow it to do its own thing for about 10 minutes, and it should be ready. Fam, just watching up you. It was ready in no time. Tell me why. Yes, you. Tell me why you don't like soft waakye. Soft waakye is for life because trust me, it's the best. And that is it. Period. Alright, so fam, if you love what you're seeing, what are you waiting for? Can you do subscribe to the channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. And also let me know in the comment section what you think about this soft waakye recipe. All you have to do is to trust the process. Now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. So this part was very fun. Charlie, people were waiting for me to be served and I was here filming this part. Charlie, content creating is not easy. You need to understand the person before you can talk anything that you want to. But anyways, everybody enjoyed this waakye. We enjoyed the waakye with some homemade stew. Waakye stew, which I'll be uploading the recipe very soon. Some shito and also some spaghetti and also some gari to top it up. We didn't want to add in any veggies, so you can add in veggies if that is what you want. Alright, so now we enjoyed ourselves and we call it a day. You can also enjoy this feast with your friends and trust me, they are going to enjoy it. All you have to do is to trust the process. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Can you do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you in my next one. Bye.